Okay, so when it comes to creatives, I'm going to make this very, very simple for you. I'm going to give you access to this template pack. Now, before you go editing this, please copy this into your own Canva account. If you edit the templates here, they will actually edit my own templates, and we don't want that. So please, if you choose to use these templates, duplicate them into your own Canva account, and then you can start editing. I greatly appreciate that. Now, what you're looking at are some of the best performing creatives that we use inside of all of our clients' businesses for the school funnel that you now know and have access to. So, uh, this works very well because it's a very familiar looking style of text format, but it's in a place that it shouldn't be. You're not used to seeing Twitter style um, messaging and Twitter style formats inside of Meta. So it works really well because it's a familiar style of format that people are used to in an unfamiliar place. With that being said, you can go down and look at some of the examples that people have used um, when it comes to their businesses and angles that we've come up with uh, to run ads. Now, these are older ads that we used to run for Wyatt. Now we're running a completely different set of angles for him. So you'll see that you're going to see a plethora of different angles that we're using, not only for Wyatt, but also for some other clients um, down here as well. So Trevor, our credit repair guy, um, you know, you can see the angles that we have come up with him. This stuff is very, very simple. It doesn't have to be difficult. And finally, if you really need, like a blueprint, we have down here the actual templates of how you do this. So it's the target audience call out with the qualifier, state the offer, one to two sentences, state your guarantee. Without these three panes, click more to learn and see if you qualify. Another thing that I would consider if I were you is testing different style of text formats. So you can see this is still text, it's just in a different style, right? It's just in a different format, okay? Another one that we see that works really well, I see big companies using this one, is this iCloud note format. So, you can see we just kind of took a screenshot of this and now we're editing some text similar to the Twitter style inside of this. Why does that work? Well, again, because it's familiar in an unfamiliar place. So I would suggest that you test multiple different styles of these text style formats to get the best results. I'm going to drop the link to this template pack in the resource section, so you can go ahead and use that and edit them inside of your own account. By this point, you should already have all of your angles, all of your hooks, and everything that you're going to want to start testing. And that's where we use that in here. Okay, so uh, go ahead, click inside the resources, open this up, copy it into your own Canva account, start getting your creatives made. Then we'll be ready to actually start the setup of the ad account and get ready to launch your ads. So I'll see you in the next video. Talk soon. Peace.